Hello, guys. Welcome back. What if we can set up Google Drive like a hard drive inside our PC? That would be very cool. Like what I'm showing you right now, it's like accessing a file like an additional storage in your computer. And that's 15 gigabyte storage space. So I'm going to share to you how I did it. And it's very quick and simple. Let's do it first up. We need to do search for Google Drive Sync on Google. Okay, that download Google Drive will show up. Make sure that is download drive for desktop. And then if it's done, it's time for us to install this one. So I'm going to locate this one into my downloads folder. There you go, downloads. Then Google Drive. Open it up, start the installation. I'll put a shortcut into my desktop, and then it will take a few, maybe 30 seconds for this one to be installed. So wait for it. Okay, so it's time to check this one out. I mean, we need to sign in, link the account for Google Drive to be available into my computer. So I selected the email address. And there you go, success very good now. It's time to check it on my PC. Okay, let's go to my computer, my PC. Wait for a few seconds. We have a notification. Boom. There you go. The drive appeared. There it says Google Drive and it looks like a local drive. And when you open this one, all those files you have in your Google Drive will show up here. Okay, let's check that. One on my Google Drive web view. So all of these ones will automatically be synced with that drive that I have there. And this is a very good tool for everybody because it will be easily accessible. Anything you copy and paste in this drive will be synchronized with your Google Drive. The beauty of having this one on your PC is the accessibility instead of you going to Google Drive, logging in, logging out, uploading, or downloading a file there so that you can use it. What if you have it sitting there on your computer like a connected drive inside your PC? That's very cool. And like what I've said, this will be synchronized with your Google Drive. So I hope this video has been informative for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed in this YouTube channel, so click on subscribers button. Thank you and see you on my next video.